friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fly High. I hope you're all well and you're all safe at your home. And during this problematic situation all over the world, there's one good news for all those students who are planning to move abroad by the end of this year or in the coming year itself. And I wish this situation is tackled soon and everyone will be back to their work so that things can run smoothly. And the good news is that IELTS has planned to start IELTS home test for all those students who want to move abroad later on and they want to get themselves enrolled in a higher educational university. So it is the IELTS indicator. So I am visiting the website IELTSindicator.com, which says continue your education journey with IELTS indicator. So what is IELTS indicator? It is an online test that can be taken from the comfort and the safety of your home. Obviously, the COVID-19. The test includes 4 skills: listening, reading, writing and speaking, and you will receive an indicative score for each. So in this case, they are saying indicative score, right? Your performance will be marked by IELTS examiners as usual, and you'll receive your result within 7 days. The test is available for a limited time while IELTS testing is currently suspended due to COVID-19. Right? So educational providers can use IELTS indicator to help them gauge the English language ability of future students while IELTS testing is suspended. Right? But you make sure that your university or educational institution accepts this, right? As IELTS indicator provides an indicative score only, it is not accepted by all organizations. Before you book, be sure to check with your university or educational institute. So make sure while you are booking an exam, you need to see whether your university or educational institution accepts it. So the site that I visited is IELTSindicator.com, and here we have the option book now, right? So you can find out the test dates and everything, right? So the other thing that I want to talk about is if you want to search for more information related to IELTS indicator, you can go to the website IELTS.org, the official website of IELTS, not IDP and British Council, but the official website. I'll definitely I'll definitely give you the link in the description so that it is easier for you guys to do it. So the IELTS partner launched new online tests to support students impacted by COVID-19 restrictions. So I'm telling you, this is only for the students, the PR, the ones who were actually planning to give their test, the GT test, general training test. Well, no solution for that. The IELTS hasn't indicated any sort of test for all those people. But yeah, this is a little beneficial, but the IELTS hasn't mentioned anything whether it will catch up in a camera or any of the instructions. It has not come up yet. But yeah, they are doing it because that's an update from the IELTS, that is an online tool for listening, reading and writing. They will be offering students an online tool to help them explore the English language skills using real IELTS questions. The test is currently being developed and trialed in selected countries. For more information you would like to visit, then visit IELTS.org in the coming weeks. Till then, and there are tests in some of the countries, right? But you need to take some of the additional precautions due to COVID-19, so you need to visit this page, right? So I will give you the link in the description box, and I hope your university or your educational organization accepts this indicative score so that it is easier for you and you will be just stress free from your exam, right? Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked my video, please like it and do press the bell icon button so that you will be able to get the updates related to IELTS and immigration and student visas and all other programs. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.